Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Fast Form Builder. It's a fast and easy way to create a browse and edit form, along with the database table for your information to sit in. In this example, I'm going to name the table Customer and make 5 text type inputs, labeled Code, Name, and Address 1 to 3. I'll preface the field names with cus_. I can preview how object types will look in an edit form via the Help button. After selecting which columns I want in the browse screen and building the form, I can access the fast form from the user home. I'm going to rename the code and description, and I can add records using the new edit screen. When a record is added and saved, it can be viewed from the browse screen, along with any other added records. Now I have a few entries. I can sort the records in ascending and descending order by clicking on the column name, and I can use the search bar to find specific matching entries. I can also search multiple terms separated by a space. I can also exclude a column from a search using the options menu or Ctrl+Shift+S and unticking the searchable columns.
Hey, I was reading that.